Hi, welcome to CaraBrandonCreations. Today we're going to take a look at my farmhouse journal. Here we go. All right, let's take a look at the journal. Here is my farmhouse journal. I made this dangle with beads and butterflies, different metal bits, like these little metal circles. And then this bumblebee and fun little beads. Are they fun? I love all the different colors, textures. I used some of the, what's her name? Kathy something fabric on the outside and some ribbon here. And I left the cover pretty much the same because it was perfect for the colors of the farmhouse kit. And this farmhouse journal would be perfect for actual writing in. I did add pockets and tags, but it's not heavily embellished. I think I might list this one so the person who purchases it could even add more to it. And there's plenty of room to grow. So I added some fabric tabs on the side, and there's the back. And I have the ribbon eyelet closure, some fabric in here to cover up kind of and give the spine some more stability. All right, so here's my first page. Lots of fabric tabs. Here's one of the pockets that I think I have a video for that one. And this little pin at the top. And there's some pages. Another little tuck spot for the tag. There's my chicken, my rooster. He's a rooster. I did a fabric tuck spot here. Let's see if I can slide that again. There we go. With the butterfly that I did some stamping on. Some coffee dyed paper. Here's that paper clip that I made in a video. Some scrapbook paper. Did some stenciling. Excuse me, sorry. On the dangles, this has an F for farmhouse, and then another butterfly, since there's butterflies on this page. And then we have a journaling card that I made out of the master board. And here's that one that I also made in a video. The stamping on the fabric. Coffee dyed paper. Fun sounding coffee dyed paper. More stenciling. There's the rooster. So see, you could still decorate this. There's a lot of writing space. There's my stacked animals. And then this, I stuck in the middle, and it's an envelope that I covered kind of collage fabric all over, and then I had this applique, I think is what it is, this applique piece, and it opens, and in here are all my leftover bits that I didn't stick in the book. So I have some tags that I made, journaling card, and then I put all my little bits together here. And there's even a pocket, and I fussy cut out the animals. So all these I put into this little pocket so that the person who uses it can kind of reach in and grab something if they wanted a journaling card or a tag to write on or add pictures to. And it worked out perfectly because there's this nice area here in the middle. Here's the roosters on the blue paper. There's the animals again. There's a little corner tuck. Oh, I have a bad habit of sticking my tags in too early. Here's another one with 2 tags. This one. Oh, there we go with our stacked animals. Did some layering with the different ribbons there. This one has 2 beads and the bumblebee. Did a paper clip tuck on this guy. And then this one has the 2 journaling cards that I made in a video. Not that it. Oh wait, this isn't a paper clip, is it? No, I just stuck the paper clip over. Wait, what did I do? Yeah. And we can just paper clip that back on like that. Another tag and journaling or tuck spot. And then there's little bits in this one. Like that. And then the last pocket, I think. Yep. So yeah, pretty fun. Look at all the fun colors. So yeah, I'm going to list, this guy will be listed in my Etsy shop probably when this video goes up. So if you're interested in the Farmhouse journal, take a look over there. I'll have the link below. Hi, welcome to CaraBrandonCreations. Today we're going to take, if you wanted to see the full farmhouse kit that I used to make this journal, click right there. If you wanted to see another video, click right there. I'll see you there.